What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So, over our friend Matic, it's pushing up towards our Wave 5 target. So currently we're sitting at $1.25, down about 0.05 on the day, seeing a market cap of 10.77 billion. 24-hour volume 713 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up the 30K in bonuses or Bitget. Bitget's where I do the majority of my trading, up to 8K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop to Matic. So as you can see here, we're starting to push up in our Wave 5. So we had a Wave 4 pullback. We're starting to bounce. So the larger Wave 5 target is the 618 at $1.33. Now, if we take a trend-based extension from the bottom of Wave 2 to the top of Wave 3 to the bottom of Wave 4, that can give you our Wave 5 target, and that is the 0.618, which is currently sitting at about $1.27. So those are your two targets for the Wave 5 of the larger Wave 5. All right, gang? So as we can see here, we may create a little bit of a double top if we do create a bit of a higher high. Just be very cautious. Watch to see if we have a divergence. As I said, we may push up to that $1.30, which is the next really strong level of resistance for our friend Matic. We are continuing to put in a bearish divergence here. Let's take a look at our friend, the money flow. If my indicators will open up, here we go. Yeah, money's still flowing out here for Matic. So I do think we will see some pullback soon. But beautiful pump here for Matic. What we're looking at is we've pushed up from the bottom in a Wave 1. This is a Wave 2 pullback, and potentially we're starting to push up in that Wave 3. That's the best case scenario, and in the short term, come up and break this high, put in the Wave 5 target in between $1.27 and about $1.32 for your Wave for your Wave 5 target, and then potentially we may see that large reversal in a Wave 2 pullback. All right, gang? It's playing out just as we signaled here in the Discord for $10 a month, early access to my analysis as well as trade signals. May see Matic push up in one more higher high to complete the Wave 5. Wow, my internet. And as you can see, we posted before the breakout and it started to push up towards that target. So early access to my analysis signals, $10 a month, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. And Mahado all plays. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitget through my referral. And email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.